Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn off the autocomplete for search results and search suggestions on Google Chrome. So let us dive into this. So navigate to Google on Google Chrome, and here on the home screen of Google, click into settings in the bottom right and access the search settings. Now guys, you need to do this through the homepage of Google Chrome, and you don't do this through your browser settings. So remember, click into settings in the bottom right and click into search settings here to customize your search or your search behavior. For instance, you may do that under, let me find it, under other settings here. And here guys, you will see that feature autocomplete with trending searches, which is usually turned on. So you may, for example, turn this off to get rid of these autocomplete suggestions in your searches on Google. For example, when you type in a word from an entire phrase, for example, or from a keyword here into that search, you will get rid of these suggestions based on Google. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.